The author showed comparison for the caged bird here. She reminded us that this bird had never experienced what it meant to be free like other birds. But then, how does the bird want something it had never had? Because the bird was created to be free, and deep down the bird understands that freedom is something he must have. The author made us understand that all the bird was asking for is equality. He wanted to be treated like every other bird. When the bird cried out, its voice wasn't heard by everyone. To some, it felt like background noise that didn't matter. So even though African Americans cry out because of racism, their voice is still not heard. And finally, in the last line, the author stated that even though the caged bird might never get his freedom, it still doesn't stop him from singing because he was created to be free. Thank you. Till next time.